In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account on TradingView. This process is perfect for beginners who want to get comfortable with trading without the risk of using real money. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website and head over to their chart section. When you arrive, you'll notice a dynamic interface that might seem overwhelming at first. But don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. This charting area is essential because it serves as the hub for all your demo trading activities. Once you're on the chart page, your next step is to find and click on the trading panel. Look towards the bottom of the screen. The trading panel is where you connect to various brokerage accounts, or in this case, the paper trading feature. Paper trading is a fantastic tool because it allows you to simulate trading in real time with virtual money, giving you an invaluable experience in executing trades and managing a portfolio. After clicking the trading panel, you'll see several options. Here, you need to select paper trading. Clicking on paper trading will open up an option to connect, which is what you'll do next. This step is crucial because it connects your demo account, allowing you to start practicing trading without any financial risk. Once you hit connect, you need to head over to account settings. This is where you can adjust your paper trading account parameters to better suit your learning needs. Customizing your demo account is key to tailoring your learning experience, as it can mimic real trading conditions you might face once you start live trading. Now, with the account settings open, look for the option to reset account. This is a useful feature because it allows you to start fresh whenever you need to. Maybe you've tried a few strategies and things didn't work out. A reset gives you a clean slate to try again and refine your techniques. Finally, confirm this action by clicking reset. Don't worry, you can do this as many times as needed. It's all about learning from past mistakes and trying out new strategies until you find what works for you. That's it. You've successfully set up a demo account on TradingView. With this setup, you're now ready to practice trading and build your confidence in a risk-free environment. Remember, practice makes perfect, and using a demo account is an excellent way to hone your skills before taking on the live markets. So, get in there, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning to trade.